Hey, what's up, guys? This is C Sharp tutorial, and this is ArMin again here. Okay, let's continue. In the last chapter of C Sharp, we are talked about variables, and as you see here, I'm going to remove this. And now we want to talk about data types and casting, and this is the second part. And let's check it out here here in this web page, or take a look. I'm going to Microsoft here. These are data types in C Sharp. A little bit differences between C Sharp and Java, and that's coming here, unsigned integers and signed integers and negative integers and those things. For example, here these are signed integers. Here we can store values, negative and positive values, but for example, unsigned integer of that is only accept positive numbers, like that. Okay, I don't want now to talk about that, but in general, these are data types in C Sharp. Okay, and now if you want, you can check them. For example, I don't know, I click on uline, and you see here all explanation about that. You see which values you can store. You see here integer is only from negative to positive value, but you see here unsigned integer is started from 0. With other word, no negative numbers. You ask me when we should use unsigned integer, when you know you have big integer or a big number and it's positive, you go for approach of unsigned integer. Okay, but I want to talk about casting. About casting. What is casting? What is casting actually? Casting, it's say to convert one data type to another one. For example, I have here integer data type, and I want to change this integer to the character or to the string or to the line, to other data type, byte to short. You know, some of combination are not possible, but we want to talk about this. Let's go back to our IDE. This is just a simple syntax that we use. And here, for example, I want to say here I have an integer and my int, and that's equal to, for example, 8. Okay, that is 8. And I say here double like this and say my int. Okay, I have here integer 8, and I have here double. What was the difference between integer and double? You see this. Blah blah blah. Double is decimal. Okay, let's take it. Double, float, double, and you see this is the combination. You use decimal, double, and float. You use those commas. Okay. And now here, let's say okay here. If I'm now type my int Zahmar, say I'm getting just 8 as it should. Where is it? 8. Okay. And now let's copy this one, and I say here now type my double. Okay, what it say 8. Okay, and now this is just like that. But now let's see. I have here for example, I have here I say here double uh, my double is equal to for example I say here this some shit and here I want to say I have now a double is 9 comma blah blah blah. I have here uh, int my int is equal to I want now to assign this one to my double one that I used there, okay? But it is not possible. That is integer, that is double. Here you say integer and it expect you give just integer, not a thing. How we solve this? As other as you know in other programming language, with this we just cast this. For example, I say the double, just cast it for me. You see, cast that one to what I have, okay? And it's casting to that. And for example, I say here char. Some combination is not possible, but this is the syntax. How you cast something, okay, into parenthesis and then you cast it. But I want you to know one thing. There is if you don't want to use casting like this, we have built-in functions in uh, in C sharp, and convert built-in functions C sharp. Let's see what we get. Let's check. Convert looked up. What is this? Okay, here these are built-in functions. And now let's see, for example, how it works. It's like this. For example, here I have here int one is, for example, 9, you say, okay? I say here double 2 is equal to 5, like that. Bool, my bool is equal to, for example, true, okay? That is it. And now here I have number 9 in integer. I want to say now here convert dot, and when you hit that dot you get all combination here. Convert dot to a string here. For example, I want to change to convert 9 to the string, like that, to a string, okay? And to a string, which one? 1. And that is 1. Just one more parenthesis here. You see, I say here convert that one for me, and let's see what we get. Instead of 9, let's convert, okay, to string to double. And now I'm going to copy this again, because if we I'm saying here to double, it's just the same. Let's see here 9, okay. And now I say here to int 32. Just it's the case to show you. Copy this here, convert to to char, and let's see if I do this like 75, I get some character. Yes, ka, you see. So with built-in functions, we convert or we cast uh, our data type. Okay, I think this is okay for right now, and I see you in the next one. Have a nice day.